How to download Facebook videos without apps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, you can see there are different posts and different videos over here. So if you want to download any videos over here, what you can simply do is tap on any of the videos over here. So I'm going to just search for the video. Let's go through the reel section and let's just see what we can download over here. So I'm going to simply tap on the three dotted lines at the right side of the screen and let me just tap on it over here. So tap on three dotted lines and then simply tap on the option over here. So we have the option to save the video. This will add into our saved video option, but to directly download it to your gallery, that would not be possible. You can simply tap on save video and save it for later, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.